Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Toyota Tundra SR5 in black. It has black cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. It also has a hard tonneau cover, a 5.7 liter V8 engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has a backup camera as well as navigation. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and you have your mirror controls here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and the running board helps you get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, as well as volume, hands-free dialing, and you also have your cruise control located here. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, as well as the menu that we can toggle through, and we can go into different options and you can go through that. In the center you're seeing your CD player, and you also have your display screen. Currently the audio is off. You have AM, FM, as well as satellite radio, and you're seeing navigation. When we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And then down below, hazard lights, your AC front defrost. There's your fan, there's the max AC, and then there's your 4-wheel drive. Down below, heated seats for both driver and passenger, and they're just down below there. And there you're seeing the little seat left and right. Auxiliary USB, and you also have a cup holder, your shifter. There's more cup holders over here. Your armrest has a place to put items, and you can also open it up. Lots of room down below. And there's a 12 volt as well. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your garage door opener, lighting controls, and you also have your sunglass holder located here. And there's a moonroof as well that's powered, so we can just power that right across. And you have a manual screen so you can control light and air. And there's a grab handle in the body as well as up above to help you get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and black running board, black door handle. Driver's side fuel cap. There's a hard tonneau cover, and in the back your backup camera is just beside the handle, and the tailgate is lockable. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer hitch. And when we want to open up that tailgate, we simply put our hand in the latch, and inside it's got a nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You easily lift the handle here at the base and it'll pop your seat right up. You now have more room on the floor. Pop it down again, and you now have the regular seating position. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and you have these nice all-weather mats on the floor for easy cleanup. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center air vents and a 12 volt. In the body there's a grab handle. You've got your dome lighting up above as well as hooks and handles. In the back you have a big window with rear defrost. Chrome bumper, 5-foot box, hard tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.